Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla. Here to show you a 1972 Chevy Cheyenne Super.
Heck yeah.
Beautiful red paint with some really minor pinstriping, but very tasteful pinstriping.
Yes.
As you can see, it still has all the nice trim down the sides. It's got a set of aftermarket wheels on it. It does have power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning with a front disc brake conversion. It's got 350 small block automatic transmission in it. It's got a real nice cloth, which I don't see very often, instead of vinyl tonneau cover.
Yep.
And just an overall beautiful truck. The two-tone interior in it is real classic too. I
forgot what this pattern is called.
I always forget what it's called, but I like the way it looks.
It's like checkered, but it's not. I can't remember. But it's sharp. Still got the classic bench seat. The ceiling in here looks awesome. Love the two-tone upgraded gauges. Super sleek, simple.
It's a Super.
It's a Super. Is it Cheyenne or Cayenne?
Yeah, you know.
Cheyenne, Cayenne. Tomato, tomato.
We'll let the buyer call it what they want.
This is a bad truck right here. And you'll like it even more once we start it up. And that's what we're gonna do next. Stay tuned. Bada bing, bada boom. Shane and I are gonna fight over this truck.
It's a nice truck. It's 1972 Cheyenne Super.
Yep.
Or Cayenne. I'm not really sure how it's supposed to be said.
C10. Let's just call it that.
It is a C10, 72 C10, but this is the Super. This is the nice one. It's got 40 miles on the odometer since the restore. It looks like your speedometer is working, your temperature gauge, your battery, your oil pressure gauge. The fuel gauge is showing buried and full, so I'm not sure if that's how accurate that is, but we'll take a closer look. It's got front disc brakes.
Is this the original radio? Yeah, it seems to be. Super nice, super nice.
Nice, strong 350 horsepower, 350 crate motor in it.
We love it. Good brakes.
Yeah. It's got power brakes. It's got front disc brakes.